students. Welcome to the online lecture of class 4 maths. So, let's start today's lecture. In last lecture, we have started this story of reaching Bhimbetka. Okay, we have discussed all this conversation. Okay, starting from here, now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Oh, okay, one of the girl from the students is saying, "Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old." Boy, wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such a lovely paintings. That too on a rope. Okay, Shankar, this painting also has very big bisons. Okay, hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the painting. Bonomala, I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. So they started counting in from seeing in the painting. Okay, so the girl 112, 113, 114 and like on. I got 117 deers. Yay. The boy 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. Okay, so now here one question is asked to us. How many more deers are there than bisons? Okay, we have to answer how many more deers are there than the bison. So we will simply subtract the number of bisons, number of 37 bisons from 117 deers. Okay, so here you will get 117 minus 37 equals to 80. So there are 80 more deers than the bisons. Clear? Moving further, but Bonomala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. Her count is less than 200. Okay, so what they are saying here, Bonomala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. So firstly, you have to add the number of deers plus the number of bison. How many? 37. Okay. So 7 plus 4 11, right? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5 and 1 plus 0 1. So the number of people will be more than 151 but less than 200. Okay, so from this option we can see the number which is more than 151, 154 and 157. 214 cannot be taken because that is more than 200. So Bonomala have counted either 154, 184 or 177. Right? Moving further, the guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. In total, there are 600 cave paintings. It's time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? So we have seen since starting they have reached at 11 o'clock at Bhimbetka, right? So now what will be the time? Yes, 12 o'clock. The time will be 12 o'clock. Moving further, lunch time. The children are hungry by this time. So They take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, orange and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. Okay, remember this: one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. All the children takes oranges, biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. How many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? So for this answer we have to recall that how many total children are going in the visit. In the first lecture of this chapter we have calculated the number of children and they were 110, right? So if we distribute one orange to 210 students, how many orange will be distributed? Yes, right, we have to multiply 210 into the 1 and that answer will be 210. Okay, now talking about biscuits. How many biscuits are distributed? 5. So you have to multiply 210 multiply by 5 and you will get 210 multiplied by 5 and you will get 1050 biscuits. 1050 biscuits are distributed. Okay, moving further in the bananas question. Now see, one bananas per each student. Okay, so we have to multiply 210 into 1, that is 210, but 38 children do not take the banana, so we have to subtract it down. 210 minus 38 and you will get the answer. 210 minus 38, you will get 172. Okay, and you are giving one banana to each student, so 172 into 1 equals to 172. Okay, here you can write 172. Moving further, Manjit and Bhanu quickly finishes their lunch and start asking puzzle to pass the time. Okay, so now here we are going to solve some interesting puzzle. Manjit, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. We have to give answer the number which is exactly in the middle of 100 and 150. One of the student, Bhanu, 120, no, 130, no, it's 125. Yes, the middle number, the exactly middle number between the 100 and 150 is 125. Other children, Manjit, right, okay, you ask now. Other children join in. Everyone is making puzzling question. Now the puzzle A, we will start solving puzzle A. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. Okay, one of the student is saying I have given 4 toffees to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. So how many toffees did I have? So what he did, he gave 4 toffees to his 4 of his friends. So we have to multiply because each friend is getting 4 toffees. That means he gave 16 toffees. And now how many toffees are remaining? 3. So the total will be 16 plus 3, which is 19. So 19 toffee are there. B. What number can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 3, 5, 7 and 5, 3, 7. What are the other? So student, what you have to do? First write the 3 numbers here. Okay, now fix the position of 3 and interchange these two. Okay, so fixing the position of 3, interchanging these two means 7, 5. Right? Now write 5 first. 5. And the remaining is 3, 7. Okay. Now fix the position of 5 first and interchange 3 and 7. So 7 and 3. Now which number is remaining to fix? Yes, 7. So 7, the remaining 2, 3 and 5. Now fixing the position of 7 and interchanging 3 and 5. Okay, so total 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 number are formed using 3 digits. Okay, similarly you can do for the 4 digit also. You have to fix one number position and interchange them. A number became 6 C puzzle. A number became double if it is increased by 8. Okay, so what here is asked? A number, let's assume that number is x. Okay, a number becomes double if it is increased by x plus 8. Okay, this is what given. A number becomes double. Okay, 2 times a number become if it is increased by 8. So we have to find that number. So here you can see 2x equal to x plus 8. Right? Now bring x from here to here. Obviously the sign will change. By bringing x from here to here, your sign here, the positive is there, but when you will bring x from here to here, sign will change. So 2x minus x equals to 8. Okay, so now 2x minus x is x. You know that 2 minus 1 is 1. So x equals to 8. So your answer is 8. Here this 19 toffees we have did it. The 6 digits, these are 6 in all. The 2x equals to x plus 8, 2x minus x equals to 8 and x equal to 8. Thus the required number is 8. So here we end our lecture. I am sharing the PDF file of this question answer which we have discussed, and you have to write this in your notebook. Thank you.